whether it's food in Nairobi, my friends there, ndugu zangu. By the way, I need somebody to teach me Kiswahili. I need somebody to teach me Kiswahili from Kenya. How do you see? I have a friend there, but I need to be taught Kiswahili because I know habari, mzuri, salama, unasemaje. Hello, this is Peter once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy that people are coming on the platform, coming on board, so that we can learn Luganda and we do everything in Luganda. My name is Peter. This is Learn Luganda, where we learn Luganda always. We tell you about Luganda, we tell you about Uganda, and everything about our lovely country. I'm sponsored by Curtain Home and Interiors, located at Namlanda in Temelot. You can reach them and you get everything you need as far as designing your house is concerned. They have doormats, they have carpets, they have duvet, they have blankets, they have bed sheets, they have curtains, they have everything. Anything you can think of as far as designing your room or house, offices is concerned. But before we continue, today, try to tell other friends to subscribe as I come and I tell you why we need to watch this video. Don't go away. I've received many videos from my inbox, in my inbox and WhatsApp and via any platforms and other platforms. People trying to ask me several questions. Please, Peter, tell us about this. Please, Peter, tell us about this. So today, I've come to give you something important so that you don't miss out. Keep on watching. Let's try to look at those statements any tourist should know. The words any tourist should know. Like when you come into Uganda, what are those words you need to know before you reach out to Uganda and you visit this country? You go for zoo, you go to game parks, you go everywhere. We have those key statements or key words you need to know before you come as a tourist. Okay, so today let's try to look at tourist statements or phrases anybody must know before you come and visit this country, Uganda. When you come to Uganda, these are the statements you need to know. You need to, at least you need to write them down in your diary and you keep on reading them, whereby when you reach Uganda, you'll be speaking those words fluently. For example, there's no doubt when you visit a country, you'll be sure of going and watch a cinema. You need to watch a movie. Like, live around this, getting a CD, and you go at your place and you watch a movie using your laptop, using your computer, using your TV and everything. No, but this time around you want to go in a cinema hall, but you'd like to ask a person or any person so that that person can inform you when the location of the cinema hall, the schedule, when that thing is going to open, and blah 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 blah. So if you want to know when the cinema hall can open, this is what you say. What time does the cinema hall open? What time does the cinema hall open? In Uganda, this is what we say. Ekibanda kya film kigulawo saawa mmeka? Ekibanda kya film kigulawo saawa mmeka? What time does the cinema hall open? What time does the cinema hall open? Ekibanda kya film kigulawo saawa mmeka? Now, let's say you're done with that. Now you know at what time does it open. Now you're informed, you're very clear at what time does the cinema hall open. Now you'd like to know if I'm to go there. I'm like to be there like for how long, and then you want to know at what time does the cinema hall close. This is how you say it in Uganda. Ekibanda kya film kiggalawo saawa mmeka? Ekibanda kya film kiggalawo saawa mmeka? What time does the cinema hall close? What time does the cinema hall close? You see, the other one was when does it open? Now you want to know at what time does the cinema hall close. Ekibanda kya film kiggalawo saawa mmeka? Now, since we are talking about tourists, You know, I'm trying to deal with those people who are trying to visit a new place. Now they are called tourists, abalambuzi. You know, when you are a tourist, when you're one, you are omulambuzi, tourist, one, omulambuzi. When you are 2 plus, 2 and many more, abalambuzi, tourists, abalambuzi. But whenever you go to a new place, you need to know. I mean, you would like to take pictures, like for memories and all those stuffs. You want to take pictures. You would like to keep those memories, whereby when you go back to your country or to your origin place, you would like to inform these people who did come with you that you went to that place. Okay, you would like to take pictures. Now, what will you do? I mean, how will you request for a person who's there so that he can allow you to take pictures, okay, or to know whether that place is allowed? I mean, any person to be take pictures from that place, okay? How do you do that? How? You'll be like, oh my God, how? I'm waiting for you. How? Try to guess. This is what you say. Can I take photos? Can I take photos? Nsobola okuba ebifaananyi. Nsobola okuba ebifaananyi. Let's say you were in a museum, you know, but you are moving around, you would like to take photos, but you don't know whether they allow or they do not allow. Okay? So you ask that person who's moving around with you whether you can take photos or not. So you say, can I take photos? In Luganda you say, nsobola okuba ebifaananyi. Nsobola okuba ebifaananyi. Now you know you can take photos or you cannot take photos, but before you go to a certain place, you need to know the weather of that place. You know, whether they have rainy season, whether they have sunny season, whether they have winter, so on, you know, etc. But you like to ask first before you come or before you go to that place. Well, how would you ask that question? Okay, so this is how you do it. What type of weather is in blah blah? Let's say in Uganda. For me, I'm coming from Uganda. But you're in Kenya, you're in Tanzania, you're in Jamaica, you're in England, you're in you know, those outside countries, but you'd like to know the weather. This is how you say embeera y'obudde eri etya. You know, let's say you said what type of weather is found in Uganda? Uganda erina mbeera ya budde ki? Uganda erina mbeera ya budde ki? So you just replace Uganda with the place where you want to go. Let's say you want to go to Karamoja, it's part of Uganda near Kenya. Karamoja erina mbeera ya budde ki? You want to go to Rwenzori Mountain, that is near Congo, via Fort Portal, Kasese. You say Rwenzori erina mbeera ya budde ki? You want to go to Lake Victoria, because Lake Victoria is one of the, actually the biggest lake in Africa with clear water and clean water. Lake Victoria. So that's how you ask it for the weather, you know. What type of weather is found in Kampala? Kampala erina mbeera ya budde ki? What kind of weather is found in Nairobi, my friends there? Ndugu zangu. By the way, I need somebody to teach me Kiswahili. I need somebody to teach me Kiswahili from Kenya. How do you see? I have a friend there, but I need to be taught Kiswahili because I know habari, muzuli, salama, onasemaje. But here in Uganda, those policemen, they are those common words they use to intimidate us. Toa viato, toa suruale, fungua mlango, kintu kidogo, where yiko mjinga. There's some words they use. For those who are trying to tour around the world or around the country, there are some things you need to know in Uganda. For example, in Uganda, we have things like cathedral, those big churches called cathedral, like Lubaga Cathedral, Lugazi Cathedral, Namirembe Cathedral, those bigger churches in a certain place, they are called cathedrals. But in Uganda, it is called Lutiko. Lutiko. Any cathedral, it is called Lutiko. In Uganda, there is what we call museum. Museum, that place where they keep historical things, those old things, things with great records, like here in Uganda. Eddie Samsuza Kenzo took his BET award to the Museum of Uganda. So the award is there. So that place called museum in Uganda, it is called Ekadizo. Ekadizo Museum. Ekadizo. We have places like gardens. When we talk about garden, we understand the word enimiro, a place where they plant food. That is called garden. But there is gardens, those places where located near the hotels, those places where people go and rest and chill. They are not gardens anymore. They are called gardens, and in Uganda it's called Mubimuri. Mubimuri gardens. Okay? So when you go somewhere and you tour, you know, you always enjoy because you are motivated or you are driven to go there because you love to go there. So you say, I have enjoyed. I have enjoyed. In Uganda means nyumidua. Nyumidua. I hope to come back soon. After enjoying, because you have to tell them that you will come back. I hope to come back soon. Nsuubira okudda amangu. I hope to come back soon. Nsuubira okudda amangu. Yeah, for today, let me end here. We are going to be ending from here. I always upload videos every after 7 days. I put a video up there. So keep on subscribing. Tell a friend to tell a friend so that we can enjoy. Ciao, 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 ciao.